Hello! Welcome to this tutorial about past tenses. What are the important things about the past? You have to remember that we have regular and irregular verbs. Let's going to start with past simple of regular verbs, of course. Regular verbs in the past simple. Let's see. Just to form the affirmative, remember to add ed to the infinitive of the verb. But pay attention, because when we add ed with y, we have to look at the letter that we have before. For example, with play, there's no change, but with study, remember to change this letter. Negative, didn't play, for example. Remember that the past is here, so didn't played is not okay. And questions, we need the auxiliary. Did you play yesterday? Is it clear? Let's go to irregular verbs now. Remember that with irregular verbs, you have to check the wonderful list that you're studying those days. Irregular verbs in the past simple, again. Affirmative, you have to check the list where you will find be, for example, was, where, and past participle, that's been, that will be useful for the present perfect. Negative, we have the same. I didn't do, for example. I didn't do my homework yesterday. Remember, did. It's not okay because the past is here again. And what about the questions? We need the auxiliary. Did you do your homework? The only thing that changes is this part, the affirmative. And when do we have to use the past simple? When we are talking about actions finished in the past, using expressions like yesterday, last month, for example, or the word ago. For example, 3 days ago. And the last part of this tutorial is about the past continuous. So, the past continuous, it's very easy too. Continuous means that we have ing. And it's very similar to the present simple. To the present continuous. But the verb, the auxiliary, this time, is going to be in the past. So, I was having, for example, a shower, continuous action, when the phone rang, for example. Here we have a continuous action that's interrupted with another action. What about we, for example? We were having a shower, and it's the same. What about the negative? So, the verb to be in the negative. I wasn't having, or we weren't having. And what about the questions? We have to use the auxiliary, but this time the auxiliary is the verb to be in the past. So, were you having a shower? So now the important thing is that you practice a lot. We'll see each other in the classroom. Bye.